Hello, traders. Finding truly valuable support and resistance zones is something every trader aims for, as these areas can significantly improve trading performance and provide a meaningful edge in the market. However, identifying reliable value zones consistently is not an easy task. With Highway Fractal Zone, we built the indicator around fractal structures to identify market trends and price behavior. But that is only the starting point. The real advantage comes from leveraging those fractal structures to uncover value zones that can be used effectively in trading decisions. Through extensive research and development, we identified reliable value areas formed by key fractal levels. These are not zones designed for picking tops or bottoms. Instead, they are designed to help traders participate in the direction of the prevailing trend. As a result, traders can focus on areas with a higher probability of market reaction, making trade decisions clearer, more objective, and more reliable. This is the core advantage of Highway Fractal Zone, helping you trade with the trend while focusing on meaningful value zones. In this video, we will showcase real market signals generated by the indicator and demonstrate how they can provide an edge in actual trading conditions. When an effective tool is combined with sound decision-making, it can create a significant advantage. Stay tuned to see the performance of Highway Fractal Zone, and feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.